Hello students, welcome to this channel Science Place. Today we are going to solve a question from class 10th ICSE board. The question is from chapter 3 genetics, some basic fundamentals, and the question says that in a certain species of animals, black fur B is dominant over brown fur small b. Predict the genotype and phenotype of the offspring when both parents are capital B small b or have heterozygous black fur. So before solving the questions, let's have a look of some important terms related to this topic. Say you can see here a beautiful picture. Have I think you I believe that you uh, can imagine about cell. As in our body is made up of cells, and each cell is having nucleus except our RBC cells, red blood cells जो होती हैं, except that RBCs, all our cells are having nucleus. So you can see here it is a cell, this is a cell, and inside the cell there is a nucleus, and nucleus is having many chromosomes are made up of DNA. So um, you can say that every cell is having nucleus, and nucleus is having chromosome that is made up of DNA, and a segment of DNA, you can see here a segment of DNA that makes some functional element in a cell is known as gene, or by other definition, a gene is considered as the basic unit of inheritance, or you can say it is a small segment of DNA that participates in inheritance. So you can see here this is a small segment of DNA, and if this is going to make some special character in any individual, then you can say it is a gene. So, and next term is genotype. Genotype is means the combination of genes in any cell is known as genotype. That you can say also like that set of genes present in a cell, means whatever at gene level, whatever gene combination present in a cell, that you can say it is a genotype. And what is phenotype? Phenotype is product of genotype, means the set of genes going to produce different type of characters in your body or in any cell. So the observable characteristics which are produced by expression of set of genes are known as phenotype. Okay, so as a there is a combination of gene inside any cell, so that will produce a set of feature in any individual. Like I'm a human being, so whatever the set of genes are having in me for my length, for my color, for my eye color, for my uh, you know many features like my voice, my blood group, so all this is coming from the gene but expressing in terms of my phenotype, that is visual feature. Okay, and next is allele. Allele is any alternative form of a gene. Suppose here it is gene, you are presenting it as symbol A or symbol B. It can be in two forms, A or B, small or capital. We are going to discuss in other slide. Like suppose B is presenting color of fur of an animal, so it can be small b or capital B on the basis of dominance or recessive feature. So the next thing is that these alleles are present on certain place on the chromosome, like, and these two arms are different. One is inherited from father and other is inherited from mother. So you are seeing the two arms of the chromosome, and suppose this particular gene is present in a specific place at here in the chromosome. So the second allele or second alternative form which I inherited from my other parent. Suppose this I inherited from my father. So for specific trait, the allele will also present on the same place in the other arm. So these are the equal positions. One is from father and one is from mother. Okay. So let's have a look on condition. Let's say animal is going to produce some color of fur that by a gene B. That gene can be capital B or small b, two forms of genes, and capital B is going to produce black color, small b is going to produce brown color. And what is the good possibility that because chromosome is having two arms, both arms can have same kind of allele, means capital B, or it can be small b, small b. Next combination may be capital B and small b. So in this case, when both arms are having same kind of gene, this condition is known as homozygous. See here it is capital B, so it is homozygous. It may be small b, this is also homozygous. But if one arm is having capital B, like in this case, and other arm is having small b, then this condition is known as heterozygous condition. Because the question also says that black color is the dominant, small b is the dominant feature, small b is the dominant allele. In that condition, when one gene is dominant over other, if in combination like this, when dominant gene is present, this is going to make the feature of dominant gene, that is black color, means there will be no effect of this small b brown color. The individual or animal will be black. So in homozygous, obviously when both are capital B, it is going to produce black color. When both are small, it is going to produce brown color. And when there is a combination of capital B, small b, the condition is known as heterozygous, and it is going to produce black color because the gene B is dominant here. Okay, so if any gene is dominant and it is present in combination with the recessive gene, small b is known as recessive gene. So characteristic feature will be produced from dominant gene, means the organism or individual or animal will having the visual effect of dominant gene. Okay, so let's move for the question now, that is, in a certain species of animals, black fur B is dominant over brown fur small b. Predict the genotype and phenotype of the offspring when both parents are B means heterozygous, small b and capital B. Okay, so or have heterozygous black color. Heterozygous तो है ये, but it is going to produce black color, as I discussed in the earlier slide. So how we can solve this question? So to have the answer, first let a square table, and we can make here symbols like male and female, and then write down the gametes produced by the parents. Like male is parent is having, both parents are having capital B and small b, so gametes will be small capital B and small b from male, means from father, and capital B and small b from mother also, because both parents are having same set of kind of gene. And how we can predict their offspring? So we can make the like multiplication in the maths, we can go with that. So the first offspring may be the product of combination of this allele and this allele. Both are capital B and capital B. So you can write here capital B and capital B. Next is the product of this capital B and small b. So this is capital B and small b. Next is small b and capital B, but as the standard nomenclature we usually write first capital B. So because this is capital B and small b combination only, so you can write it as a capital B and small b. Okay, it is not the it is not the case ki you have to always write like from male or female parent. It is the standard procedure. We first write dominant feature, so it is capital B and small b. Next is small b, because this is small b, this is small b, so you have to make cross like this and this product, this and this product, this and this product, this and this product. Okay, so let's go for the question. So the question was key predict about the offspring, their genotype and phenotype. So genotype will be like here you can see we can see three type of results, means small b, capital B, capital B, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. These both are like same, and small b, small b. So genotype maybe there are three possibilities like this, and the ratio is 1:2, 2:1, because this is 1 out of 4, this is 1 and 2, and this is again 1. Okay, so the genotype is 1:2:1. Phenotype is the visual character. So phenotype is like homozygous. This is odd, homozygous, because both are same, it is black color. Now heterozygous, this and this, heterozygous na, different combination, एक small एक capital, so these two are heterozygous and this is also homozygous. So this is going to produce homozygous black 1, heterozygous black 2, and homozygous brown. This is going to produce only brown color. Homozygous brown is 1 only. So the answer is 1:2:1, out of which 1 is homozygous black, 2 are heterozygous black, and 1 is homozygous brown. But the genotype ratio is 1:2:1, and the combination is BB capital, capital B, small b, and small b, small b. That's your answer. In some occasions this answer can be 3:1 also, because if you are going to produce in terms of black and brown only, so these two are black appearance animals, so the ratio may be 3:1 in terms of black and brown. Okay, I hope now the answer is clear to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this program, and if you are liking this, please press the like button, and I am also waiting for your comments. And if you are having any query, any question you want to you are looking for solutions, just mail me or write in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye.